Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the tools that matter most. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best mechanic toolset socket case currently available. The VEVOR Mechanics Toolset and Socket Set, a 450-piece powerhouse that's ready to tackle any job, whether you're a seasoned pro or a hands-on DIY enthusiast. Let's start with what makes this set truly impressive: versatility and volume. With 450 pieces, it covers a comprehensive range of standard and deep sockets in metric sizes, across 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 drive sizes. This means whether you're working on a domestic car, a foreign import, or a piece of industrial equipment, you're covered. No more improvising or running to the store midway through your work. Every socket size you're likely to need is right here in one kit. The sockets themselves are made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, known for its strength, durability, and resistance to corrosion. They're polished to a mirror finish, which not only looks good but helps prevent rust and makes cleanup easier after a greasy day in the garage. And they're built to meet ANSI specifications, so performance and safety are never in question. Next, the ratchets. You get 3 of them, one for each drive size. Each ratchet is finely geared with a smooth 72-tooth mechanism, which means just a 5-degree swing arc. That's incredibly handy when you're working in tight spaces like an engine bay or under the chassis. The quick release and reversible mechanism adds a nice touch of convenience, making socket changes fast and hassle-free. But sockets and ratchets aren't the only highlights. This VEVOR set also includes combination wrenches, hex keys, screwdriver bits, and a host of accessories like universal joints, extensions, adapters, and spark plug sockets. These are not filler tools. They're high-quality components that make this a truly all-in-one mechanics kit. One thoughtful design feature worth noting is the molded storage case. This isn't a flimsy plastic box that warps or breaks after a few uses. It's rugged, with a durable handle and clearly marked slots for each tool, making organization and transport incredibly easy. It's especially helpful if you're bringing this kit to job sites or storing it in your vehicle. From a usability standpoint, the VEVOR Mechanics Toolset is intuitive. Everything is clearly labeled, fits well, and locks securely in the case. There's very little tool slippage, which speaks volumes about the grip quality and machining precision of each socket and wrench. What also sets this kit apart is its scalability. You're not locked into a small set with limited potential. With 450 pieces, this isn't just a starter kit. It's a long-term investment, the kind you build your garage or mobile repair setup around. Whether you're doing engine work, suspension jobs, assembling furniture, or tightening bolts on a bicycle, you'll find exactly what you need in this kit. Now, let's talk value. Considering the sheer number of pieces and the quality of materials used, the VEVOR set punches well above its price point. Comparable kits from big-name brands often cost significantly more without delivering anything remarkably better in terms of performance or build. Of course, no tool set is perfect for everyone. If you're someone who only does the occasional repair, this might be overkill. But if you're serious about your tools, if you want to be prepared for virtually any job that comes your way, then this is a set worth owning. To wrap up, the VEVOR Mechanics Toolset and Socket Set is more than just a collection of tools. It's a complete workshop in a box. High quality, highly organized, and highly versatile, it's everything a mechanic or DIYer could ask for in a toolset. For all these reasons, we're calling this the best mechanic toolset socket case available today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into products that actually matter. See you in the next one.